Hi, this is Amy with Leap of Faith Crafting, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Easter bunny out of some glass jars from the Dollar Tree and some glitter and some Mod Podge, and this just makes a super cute decoration, or you can make it light up to use as a nightlight. So let's get to it. So you're going to need some Mod Podge, some glitter, and some glass bowls. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they're both a little bit different size. So the glitter I used was an extra fine white glitter, and then I had a bunch of glitter left over from some other projects that had a little bit of pink in it, a little bit of some larger white glitter, so I just mixed those all together. And then you're going to want to cover the entire inside of the bowls with Mod Podge. So I like using a flat paintbrush and just brushing it all the way up the sides of the glass bowl while I rotate it, and making sure they're good, long, even strokes and pretty even Mod Podge all the way around. And then you're going to dump the glitter inside and just rotate the bowl around until it's completely covered. And then I put the cup on underneath the bowl and rotate it while the glitter falls out into the cup. So then you have it all ready for the next one. And then you're going to do the exact same thing with the other bowl. So just spreading Mod Podge all the way around the inside of the bowl. And again, adding the glitter inside and rotating it all the way around. So I just pat the extra glitter out, and then once you're done with that glitter, you can put it back in its container. I just use a funnel, or you can roll up a paper and put it in. So make sure you save your glitter. And then I'm just cutting out my face and the ears with my Cricut. I have this free file on my blog, so make sure to head over there and get the free cut file. And these you can easily do with just scissors, just cutting out some ears, and with the face, you can just use some paint pens if you want. So here I'm just weeding out the face and the nose, and then I'm just going to put the nose over with the rest of the face so I can put it all on at one time. You should clean your bowl with some rubbing alcohol and let it dry. And then put some transfer tape over the vinyl and scrape it down well. And then make sure your bowl is dry. And just center the bunny face and just start spreading it down, starting from the center, and then work your way out. Just a little bit easier, and you can make little cuts in your transfer tape. Sometimes that makes it easier to work with it and pull it where you need it to go. And then just scrape down all the vinyl really well. But like I said, if you don't have a cutting machine, just grab some Sharpie paint markers and just paint a face on. So once you have them both, and I had let these dry for 24 hours so that the glitter is really set in there, you can add the fairy lights. I just put about half of the lights in the top and then the other half in the bottom part. And then let the battery pack just stick out the back side. And then just add a little bit of a hot glue onto the side rims of the bowl. And secure the two bowls together. And then for the ears, just glue them together. You can use hot glue or tacky glue. And then you're just going to glue those to the top. I just folded it over just a little bit on the bottom and just put some hot glue up on the top and just secured them into place. And now you can add a bow. So I just cut out a piece of ribbon and then just folded the ends over on each other and put a little bit of glue there to glue those together. And then I cut out another piece of ribbon, and I didn't want it so thick in the middle, so I actually folded it in thirds. So I folded a third of it in and hot glued it down, and then folded the other side on each other. And then just wrap that around the middle of the ribbon that was already in a circle to make a little bow tie. And then just glue those all together. And trim off the extra ribbon that's sticking out the back. And then you can glue those down far more if you need to. And then I just put some glue over the back of the whole bow tie and then just stuck it right where the two glass bowls meet each other. And that's it. So now you have a little cute Easter bunny that can light up at night. So thanks so much for stopping by, and please let me know if you have any questions. And if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any.